Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot Calling to make calls directly from your HubSpot account, helping you streamline communication with clients and colleagues. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and navigating to the call icon, usually found in the navigation bar or under your communication tools. This is your gateway to making calls right from the platform. If it's your first time using the feature, click Learn how to unlock calling. HubSpot will guide you through enabling the calling feature and provide helpful tips for setup. Once ready, you can choose a plan that suits your needs by clicking Buy Now, which unlocks full access to HubSpot Calling. And that's it. Now you can integrate calls directly into your CRM, track conversations, and improve your team's productivity. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and productivity tips.